Hi, Dr. John Butler. My name's Francesca. I'm a student, so I want you to tell me about hypnotherapy.
Okay, Francesca. Hypnotherapy in a nutshell is the application of hypnosis for therapeutic purposes. And the hypnotic state is a state very much like meditation. It opens up your mind and allows you to access your deeper potential, that subconscious part of your mind, your inner creative mind, so that you can program it and use it for all kinds of applications. For example, as a student, you may be working on motivation and self-discipline. You might be working on your memory, the ability to concentrate and absorb material, have confidence that you can learn your material very well, and maybe work on exam technique, de-stressing yourself. I've worked at least a lot over the years with many students who want to improve their grades, and the results have just been phenomenal over the years. We're taking students who are struggling and they got themselves into Oxbridge, into places where they would not normally have achieved, they wouldn't have got there at the rate they were going. And so there's a great deal to offer as to a student, and of course it isn't just for students. That those same that power of your mind, the subconscious power, can be used for all kinds of applications in your life, finding purpose, your purpose in life, helping you with performance enhancement in any field, not just academic, helping you with health issues, mind-body issues. Many health problems are stress-related. So you can achieve that through hypnosis, controlling your body's reactions to improve your health, help you get over pain maybe. We've used self-hypnosis for pain control in surgeries and in all kinds of settings. And really, almost in any area of your life. Now, many of us carry baggage from our past. We feel, well, there were negative things happened. I was bullied in school. My father wasn't always as positive as he could be. I clashed with my mother or my older sister. She put me down. Hypnosis is the way to clear all that rubbish. So you're not for 20 years in therapy talking about your past, and getting stuck in it. You really move yourself forward in life. You cleanse and clear your subconscious and you reprogram it so you have that power for your life. So that's a great power we're all sitting on, we're not using. It's the inner creative mind. So that's what a hypnotherapy session is about, helping you understand your issues, clear them, and move forward. It may take more than one session, of course, if you've got multiple issues and you have a lot of baggage there, but it's a short-term therapy. So you're not in therapy for years and years, getting stuck in intellectualizations, trying to find out why I am this way, because that's only a part of therapy. Actually changing it. The programming is being changed at a deeper neurological and emotional level.
So I'm going into my third year of uni, and I'm going to be graduating soon, and I'm not too sure what kind of path I want to take. So how would you say that hypnotherapy could help me decide on where I want to go with my life and what I want to do?
Yeah, you've got a decision to make, and all decisions have three elements that contribute to the decision-making process that was within our mind: the logic, the emotion, and the intuition. Now, many people have difficulty in finding that intuitive voice, and hypnosis helps you connect with that. It's your own inner guidance system, our own inner wisdom. Now, as well as that, trusting your judgment. In other words, you're able to look at all that information as you look at the choices or options you've got, and then you're making good decisions because you trust that judgment, and you using all of those logic, emotion, intuition, you're going to make a better quality decision. Not out of fear, not out of, I'll just take that job because I don't think I deserve any better. You might have that self-love issue. Yeah. I don't see myself as being very successful.
Yeah, just like settle.
Yeah, I'll settle for a mediocre position. Hypnosis breaks you out of that negative mindset trap. It allows you to free your imagination, to see yourself really expressing your potential that every human being has, that we can all be so much better than we are currently. Of course, we have to work on it. It's not you go to a motivational speaker who tells you can do anything. Well, right now you may not be at that place, so you can do anything. It's just nonsense. It'll only keep you happy for a minute or two, maybe, or a few days. You're going to have to get down into your mind, clear your fears, your negative self-image. You're going to have to work on your mind. But with hypnotherapy, you can do that most powerfully and most quickly compared to other therapies. that at least that I know of, and I've trained in many forms of psychotherapy. So that hypnotherapy directed towards your vision for yourself, for your future. You train your imagination, you see yourself achieving your best possible goals. Now also you've got that positive mindset set up, Francesca. Now you've got to go out and make it work in the real world, where you will come up against opposition. Yeah. Naive enthusiasm won't be enough. If all you've got is, a bit of cheerleading, positive thinking, inspiration behind you, you're not going to go far enough with that. Yeah. You may end up being rejected for a job, at an interview, maybe very unfairly, who knows? But you got to pick yourself up. So you have motivation, you've got mental power, grit, you've got the ability to keep coming back and coming back. You look at all those people that have been very successful. They had to pick themselves up. There's Sylvester Stallone with Gil Boyne over in that image over there. Yeah. How many times did Sylvester Stallone fail in an interview? I think something like over 1,000 times.
Wow,
yeah. But he believed in himself and in his vision, thanks to Gil being a big part of that and helping make his final big breakthrough. And so we do that with hypnosis. We become unstoppable. We also, as I say, we bring out the creativity, so that if you're going for, let's say, the interview, your confidence, your enthusiasm will come across. You'll be able to be on the ball, answer questions. You're not fearful of rejection, fearful of failure. You have a success consciousness, kind of a winner's mindset than that fear of failure. You have many emotional and psychological advantages of somebody who hasn't got that mental preparation that you learn with hypnosis, and you maybe learn it all in 1 or 2 sessions to perform better in an interview. Then you're going to get out there and deliver. You're going to get out and perform at a higher level in your work. I mean, that's so amazing when we see people taking their careers into a whole other dimension compared to what they would have done before, because they're no longer into self-sabotage, which is the negative part of the mind saying you don't deserve it, you're not good enough, or whatever else it might be saying, depending on your prior programming. So you have that freedom from negative, self-defeating, fear-based thinking. You're now on a different trajectory. Your energy is released into the present. You're able to stay in the present, be much more creative, much more dynamic and enthusiastic in what you do. And so that's a huge, huge positive to have for yourself going forward in life. All of those, and I mean, I'm just picking on some of the main points to focus on now, because a good therapist will go through with you where your fears are, your weaker points because of your training and experience, and help you deal with those, and above all, help you maximize your power, your potential. And hypnosis is the ultimate way to switch on your creativity, to motivate, to concentrate in the most powerful, positive ways. And frankly, when you have that belief in yourself, it impinges on other people. So all those around you, whether it's the interview or people when you're at work, your own self-belief impinges on them at a subconscious level. They don't always even know why, but they're more likely to give you the job, to promote you, to help, give you the best projects and so on. So you're on a really positive path and are able to deal with the adversities of life when life isn't fair, as we say. And expecting it to be a smooth path. Doesn't matter how talented and great you are, there are people who will try and oppose you because you're successful. So you can deal with that.
So thank you so much for that. It's been very helpful. I really hope to join you in one of your courses in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.